2026 Alfa Romeo Tonale review, style, elegance, and a subtle drawback. With the Italian Alps stretching into the scenery, the 2026 Alfa Romeo Tonale tackles curve after curve along the brand's private test track. Somewhere within this rhythmic dance, it becomes evident that this compact luxury SUV is effortlessly versatile. Whether navigating winding mountain roads or handling everyday errands, the Tonale thrives on its unwavering devotion to design and emotion. Alfa Romeo has always been synonymous with cars that evoke feeling a notion reflected in the brand's emblem, featuring a serpent consuming a man. That soul-stirring essence carries over into the 2026 Tonale, the most accessible Alfa model stateside. Yet, beneath its captivating allure lies a single compromise that keeps it shy of perfection. Driving dynamics. Founded in 1910, Alfa Romeo's legacy imbues every vehicle with an authenticity that can't be fabricated. The 2026 Tonale continues this tradition, channeling over a century of Italian automotive passion into its performance. Behind the wheel, the Tonale feels unique. Its fast steering ratio adds precision and responsiveness, making every maneuver sharper and more engaging, reaffirming that this is no ordinary crossover. Agile and composed, its suspension creates a playful driving experience that transforms daily commutes into something memorable. While the ride leans toward the firmer side, especially without the optional dual-mode suspension, the 20-inch wheels enhance its appearance at the cost of noticeable tire noise. The 9-speed automatic transmission prioritizes refined shifting over high-performance thrills sufficient for routine driving, but less impactful in spirited conditions. For those who prioritize the excitement of driving over mere practicality, the Tonale delivers where it matters most. The absence of the plug-in hybrid. The Tonale originally garnered attention thanks to its plug-in hybrid option, but by 2026, this version is absent from the US lineup. Instead, buyers are offered a single engine, a 268 HP 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. While performance remains lively and satisfying, efficiency takes a hit compared to competitors. Its approximate 324-mile range falls short of rivals, requiring more frequent stops for refueling. A compromise Alfa enthusiasts might willingly accept for the sake of heart-steering passion. Refined design. In terms of aesthetics, few compact SUVs command attention like the Tonale. For 2026, its design undergoes subtle enhancements without losing its standout appeal. The iconic Scudetto V-shaped grille remains the focal centerpiece, now complemented by reshaped air intakes and a streamlined front license plate placement for a more polished appearance. Sleeker LED headlights and new paint choices like Verde Monza and Yellow Ochre inject fresh vibrancy into its profile. Inside, the cabin radiates Italian charm. Red leather upholstery with contrast stitching and Alcantara accents heightens its sporty vibe while maintaining refinement through thoughtfully chosen materials. The blend of soft-touch surfaces with solid finishes delivers boutique sophistication without encroaching into ultra-premium territory. Rear visibility is hampered by the Tonale's curvaceous design, an understandable concession for style that avoids veering into a boxy aesthetic. After all, would anyone willingly trade these flowing lines for something dull and utilitarian? The Dodge conundrum. Despite its strengths, complications arise due to shared DNA with the Dodge Hornet. Both vehicles feature an identical platform, engine configuration, and significant design overlap, a revelation that slightly undermines Alfa's exclusive positioning. While Alfa buyers are unlikely to consider the Dodge Hornet as an alternative, knowing there's a similar counterpart available at a lower price eats away at perceived prestige. In a competitive segment where image holds substantial sway, this connection isn't ideal for Alfa Romeo's reputation. Should you buy the 2026 Tonale? Alfa Romeo proudly asserts that emotion drives every Tonale, and its daring color palette reflects this philosophy. Out of 8 available finishes, 5 embrace bold hues, vibrant reds, deep greens, radiant yellows, avoiding the monotony of grayscale that dominates its class. This SUV refuses to blend in. Ultimately, the Tonale finds its appeal in heritage, elegant design, and joyful driving character. Its combination of bold styling and engaging performance sets it apart while offering reasonable rear seat comfort for a crossover this size. That said, factors like fuel efficiency concerns and rising costs, including hefty destination fees exceeding $3,000 in recent years, make compelling rivals such as the Mazda CX-5 or BMW X1 worth considering. Yet, for those who value automotive passion over clinical perfection, the Tonale rings true to its purpose. Final thoughts. The 2026 Alfa Romeo Tonale aims to demonstrate that style and emotion still matter in an industry dominated by crossovers and electrification trends. Strengths: strikingly Italian design, agile handling,